Him have order.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't mean for like bring up all of them unnecessary topic them about X and everything that truly sorry.
I mean, it's alright. Your ex-girlfriend and I'm doing a whole heap of stuff together.
Alright, tell you what. Them they asked me for come in and give you them some more training, and you know me they decide to bring you, so may I invite you.
I know why you invite me because that's something where you and Tiffany used to share.
No T, may I invite you because you have an interest in a football and you want to learn it. Or I say just to say that.
No, I'm serious. You like the game, so I don't want to know more about it.
That means say when the training start back, me I hope for you come. If that is not too much. Because remember one time when you have your dance, you know, and you asked me to come, I was there. Somebody just asked you to be here.
Alright. I'll be happy to.
Nice. Babe, why did you say no? You don't tell me something like your brother there in a maximum security prison.
Yeah. They're moving from the halfway house to maximum security, so it bother me.
So how long you man do this for?
I don't know. It's just when we go visit him the other day, he never look alright. Look like him that fret.
John no. So babe, how much time your brother serve?
Just because I'm me and the agency, him not gonna serve the time when I'm supposed to. So, I don't know how much time I'm gonna serve.
So all this go through the court system?
If this did go through the court system, a life him would get.
See, this says a murder charge, right?
Yeah. I still I try to help him for change. Because I feel like he can be an asset to society.
Well, babes, I understand. Because you basically do the same thing for me. So if you can help him, please help.
And that me go do. I don't want him stay in a maximum security too long. Because that's the easiest place we can get hurt.
Babe, well, you have to just do what you have to do. Because that's a family. Work. Left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left, left.
You know easy, you know? Yeah, real drama. Oh, I whisper.
Oh, the other agent. Oh, go on. Freeze! Don't move. This is Agent K.